All right, today we get to walk you through this pre-owned Sea Ray 2024 190 SPX. This is an excellent boat for trailering around at different lakes or just to keep it at a dock or on a lift. This has got the Sea Ray blue hull side color with the dune interior. We've got the SeaDekking here on the back. This has the standard Merc 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine. So let's go take a look at the interior. All right, welcome aboard again. This is a 2024 Sea Ray SPX 190, 19 feet in length, 8'4" on the beam. We've got nice SeaDek, nice walk through into the boat. You've got the captain's chair in the passenger. You've got the nice seating along here, built-in cooler there, storage in the floor. This particular boat does have the upgraded Fusion stereo system with the subwoofer. It does have the lighting package, so the LED lights throughout. It also has the standard Simrad system. Nice seating there. And then this also has the upgraded or optional bow filler cushion. So it comes with a backrest. Comes with the filler right there, so you can fill this whole area in, or that can just be taken out and stowed away. Great boat, only 23 hours on this boat, like brand new. Come on down to our Rogers location to take a look.